Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoStream US. Today we're covering a major recall that's getting a lot of attention, and for good reason. Ford is recalling over 200,000 Bronco and Bronco Sport models, specifically from the 2025 and 2026 model years, because of a serious issue with the instrument cluster. In some vehicles, the dashboard simply doesn't power on when the driver starts the car. And why is that such a big deal? Because if the cluster stays dark, the driver loses every critical safety indicator. Warning lights, speedometer, system alerts, tire pressure warnings, powertrain fault messages, everything. At the exact moment the car is about to move, you're essentially driving blind to what the vehicle is trying to tell you. According to official documents, this creates a direct safety risk since drivers may miss important alerts or unsafe operating conditions. This isn't a cosmetic inconvenience, it's a high-impact safety issue, especially for two of Ford's most popular models. The story has gone viral because many owners report the failure happens intermittently. Sometimes the dash works, sometimes it doesn't, and that unpredictability just makes the concern even bigger. Ford has confirmed that repairs will be provided at no cost. The fix involves a software update for the instrument cluster and, in some cases, replacement of modules that may be repeatedly failing. Owners will receive official recall notices, but anyone who has already seen their dashboard stay dark should visit a dealership immediately, even before the letter arrives. This recall is gaining traction online because of its size, its safety implications, and the popularity of the Bronco lineup. When over 200,000 vehicles are involved and the failure affects basic driver awareness, people pay attention. If you found this update helpful, make sure to subscribe to AutoStream US, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss a major recall or industry alert. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.